Hello everyone. Today we will talk about creating a trivia using Microsoft Forms. So this is how the form looks like. You can create a trivia, share it with your family, friends, work colleague, get them to fill in the answers to all the questions in the trivia, submit it. You can use it on a mobile or on a desktop or PC, Mac. Before we begin, please subscribe. Alright, let's start. You will find the option of forms in Office 365 admin or in your waffle button on the top left corner. Click on forms and then just type in the name of the form. Add first question as choice. Like I'm adding one in here. So it's a very straightforward process. You can enter a few options in there. In this question, you can see I have chosen just a plain basic choice question where I can define certain options. And users will be required to pick one. I can even assign some points to each question in my quiz or in my trivia. For example, I'm going to assign, say, 10 points to this question. And I'm going to select which one is going to be the right answer as well. Let's add another question. I'm adding another choice question in here, exactly like the one I have added above. Sorry, I'm typing a bit long question here because I had to create one for my team anyway, so I thought I might as well just do a video on the same. I'm not adding all the questions. I will be adding only 2, 3, or maybe 4 questions in here just so you can see how it looks, and you can add as long or as many questions you would want in your trivia or quiz. I can also add a comment. For example, if user selects that option, then that should be a comment which they will get to see after submitting the form when they will be reviewing their answers. Like for example, here I've given one and I'll just mention a name, another text, say spot on. I can also choose to put that in a wrong answer as well, and I can help my users understand that why is this not the right answer. This whole exercise will come in handy if you have to create set of question and answer for your students. Let me show you how to add a mathematical question here. Now when we have spoken about students, I can enter any basic equation in here and I can get my users to answer. You'll see how effective it is. I've just put in, say, 3 squared plus 2 would pick up all the mathematical function, and it is going to give me the suggested results as well, suggested right and wrong results. I can choose to put in couple and I can add a few more by myself. And I can select the right one, but because it's a mathematical system, it's going to select the right answer for you. You can put in some comments if you like, because this is a board mass thing. So I can add another question. By default, it is going to pick up the same question type as of the previous one. So I will have to change it. Now in this one, alright, let me finish typing the question first. Now I can just uncheck the option for maths or the subtitle as well. I need to uncheck that too. That's it. Now I can enter some choices in here. I'm going to add just one more after this, maybe. Yeah, let's add more. That's it. Now I can add some comments as well. Let's have a look at it. This is how it's going to look on a mobile device. I can set the theme as well. I can choose to upload any custom picture or theme or color as well, depending on your organization's branding, or your school's branding colors and stuff. You can put those things in, and then only the people in my organization can respond. Like that means like only the people in my company will be able to respond to this set of questionnaires. That will come in handy when I will have to see the responses. And let's have a look at it. This is how the form looks. I can choose to submit some answers here, for example. Yeah, you must be thinking, why I'm not getting to see all the comments. You will get to see once you submit the form. And now you're going to click on view results. There you go. You can see which one is right, which one is wrong, and if there is any comment associated with the answer you have given. That's it. And this is the end user view. And this is the view which I can see because I created the form. I can see the results from all the users over here. If I'm going to click on the post option on top, I'll show that to you in a bit. Let me open up a new window in Incognito and I will log in as a different user over there. I'll do that separately. I've submitted that. Now you can see the responses. Now there are two set of responses on top. You can see you have two responses. How many people are getting what type of questions right and everything. If I'm going to click on post, I can see the scores by every individual. So this is how it works. I hope it was useful and you should be able to create more quiz or trivias using this one. This is definitely a fun thing to do. This can also come in handy. It has various other applications in the organization for collecting some survey results, conducting surveys. Other than that, if you have some key files where everyone contributes, like say daily tracker or anything of that sort, you can use forms for that as well. Connect each and every item over here to every single column of that Excel. There are so many fun things which we can do, and when we use Flow and well, now it's called Power Automate, along with SharePoint, this thing becomes much more powerful. All right, thanks for your time. You guys have a great day.